भैया देखिए एक एक करके, वन एट अ टाइम। आई कांट हियर। Okay, please. One at a time. I can't answer otherwise. No, I'll tell you. You go ahead.
BJP has called off their protest, and the students are now going back. Their two demands, sir, as you mentioned, that has been not fulfilled. So, what will be your step in the parliament when parliament commences on Monday?
Well,
they are also bringing a new bill.
The first thing is that we hold Mr. Amit Shah directly responsible for the violence that has taken place against our students. He authorized the shooting of our students. He authorized the use of lethal weapons, pellet guns on our students. So that for us is a fundamental issue. We will not accept our own forces shooting the future of India. So that is going to be a major issue in Parliament. Of course, the students, as I said, have also got the demand of an apology from the Prime Minister. Look, this protest, the reason it has happened, the deeper reason it has happened, is that the Indian system, job creation system, education system, institutional system, media system has been destroyed. It has ceased to exist. There are consequences to this. We are facing now a time of serious economic crisis. And in times of serious economic crisis, you need that system. So, the government should be aware that what has happened here is just one step in a very deep problem. Right? So the government needs to start listening to what the people of India are saying. And this is a warning to them. This is a warning from the students of India, this is a warning from the opposition, that you cannot run India the way you have been running. This is not your personal fiefdom. This is not something that belongs to you. This belongs to the people of India. This belongs to the Constitution of India. All these institutions, they do not belong to you. And if you carry on down this path, you will see that what has happened right now will be at 10 times the scale. So that is basically the message. One by one, please. One by one. Please.
सोमवार को बिल जब आएगा, सोमवार को बिल आने के बाद सरकार से बिल आ रही है कि इसको और टेस्टिंग करने के लिए और मजबूत बनाने के लिए लाएंगे। तो क्या पहले आप लोग की मांग ये रहेगी कि पीएम पहले माफी मांगे, उसके बाद ही आप लोग चर्चा में हिस्सा लेंगे, या उसके बिना भी कोई रास्ता?
देखिए, इसमें हमारा कांग्रेस पार्टी का सेंट्रल प्रिंसिपल है कि हम ये जो सवाल हैं, हमारी जो मीटिंग होती है ऑपोजिशन के साथ, उस मीटिंग में हम रेज करते हैं और जो ऑपोजिशन का कंसेंसस बनता है उस पर हम डिसीजन लेते हैं। पार्लियामेंट में दैट इज आवर डिसिप्लिन, दैट इज आवर वे ऑफ फंक्शनिंग।